Hey, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome to my channel here at LR Lifeside. And today we're going to be making chicken egg rolls. And so if you're looking for something that's fun to make and it's going to be tasting good too, and you can even have the family kids join in making your egg rolls, and could be a nice family activity. So what we did was we cooked the cabbage. Well, we stir fried it with some bell peppers and onions and some seasonings in here, and then we added some cooked chicken. We diced it up. Okay, then we have our egg roll wraps. Okay, these are the egg roll wraps, and it's the same ones that we used when we made the egg rolls last time. And we made the hamburger egg rolls and the imitation crab egg rolls. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our mixture here and we're gonna add it to the egg roll. So first we have to wet down the wrapper, all the edges. And I've already made a few. I've got 4 more to make, and then I'm gonna start frying them. So this is the first time I've made the chicken ones. Okay, so if you've ever made egg rolls, let me know in the comments. And I'm looking forward to the comments. I always am. I'm feeling very encouraged all the time. Every time someone jots down a comment or a suggestion, it's nice to see people enjoying my videos. And it just makes me want to make more videos, and it gives me an idea of what it is that you want to watch. Okay, so here we are. We're going to roll that up. Okay, we're going to add a little bit more water. Okay. Some of these, for some reason, they opened up on me. You see, like right now, this one, you see it's breaking there. I don't know why, so I'm going to try and pinch it shut. And I feel that this batch was a little thin. These wrappers were a little thin. So I think what I'm going to do next, I'm going to try a different brand next time. I'm going to go to the Asian market and I'm going to see what they have. They'll probably have a higher or a bigger choice of wrappers, because the supermarket where I go to only has this brand. And it's just easier and more convenient for me to pick them up there. But next time, I'll go to the Asian market and see what they have. Okay, theirs might be a little bit thicker and easier to work with, because for some reason today, they're breaking up. And I think it's because they're very thin. Okay, so we're going to wet those edges. And we're going to have a lot of stuffing left over, which can be eaten like that. It's fine. Okay, then we're gonna put our edges together, corners together, roll it up tight, wet the edges again. Okay, there we go. Okay, maybe I'm rushing myself, but I'm not doing as good a job as I did with my last egg rolls. I don't know why. Maybe I am rushing myself. But after we're done with this, with these, wrapping these up, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start frying them. And some of the seasonings that I use when I was stir frying the cabbage mixture in the chicken was garlic, powdered onion. Oh, I think this is too much stuffing. Spice Chinese powdered mix, and I'll show it to you in a minute. What else did I use? Oh, white pepper, white ground pepper, soy sauce, and I use the low sodium kind. Okay, this one didn't come out so bad. Okay. And I used oyster sauce and toasted sesame oil. Okay, that's what I used. Okay, here's my last one. Again, you're gonna wet the edges. And you want to cook your cabbage down a little at first because it's going to be kind of tough. And I don't think that's, I wouldn't enjoy biting into that in my egg roll if it's that tough like that. So it's better to soften up your cabbage. Okay, here we go. And guys, if you hear any noise in the background, that's my washing machine. It's Sunday. I go back to work tomorrow and getting some laundry done. So you might hear that in the background. Sorry about that. Okay, here we go. This is our last one. Okay. Hopefully that won't open up. And it seems like it wants to let me add a little bit more water. See how the corners, the ends are not closing as well as I did them before. I don't know why that is. Okay. Maybe I am rushing it, I don't know. Okay. And that's it. Now we're gonna fry them. Okay, so we're putting in our egg rolls. I'm trying to put in the ones that look like they're closed tightly, because some of them, you see, like this one, look at that's joined. Okay, most likely that'll have to be put in the oven. And you know what I think it is? Because there was too much liquid in the mix. That's what it was. Okay, let's see what else we have here. That one will probably have to be baked. Yeah, this one will have to be baked too. And that can't go in. Let's see this one, maybe this one we can try. I also think the wraps were a little too thin. Okay, so these are gonna have to be put in the oven, the ones that are, yeah. Maybe these two can be fried, but these will have to be baked. Okay. See, I can hear the oil splattering because one of them opened up. Wow. Everything's coming out of it. And then if I take it out, put it here, put the oven. Put that in. Hopefully these two in there will open up. I'm going to put a little bit of olive oil in the bottom of this pan. these are gonna go in the oven for about maybe 20 minutes, 15, 20 minutes. I might be able to fry this one. Try this one. And I think that's what happened was the mixture was too liquidy, had too much liquid in it. And the wraps are also too thin. Oh, sorry about that. I have to go check on my machine, on the washing machine. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Put a little bit of olive oil on top of these also. I'm just going to dab a little bit of oil just to help them bake easier. Alright. Alright, I need to go get some paper towels to drain these on. And this is part of the other egg roll that opened up in there in the oil. Alright, so let me check the other ones. Maybe I can, let's see how many of these I can fry. If not, they're gonna have to go in the oven also. Okay. Put these in here to see what happens. Right. Okay, hopefully these, and you know what it is? It's the underside that's wet because of all the liquid in the mix. Let's see, hold on. Okay. This one in there. Hopefully no more of them will open up, but we'll see. Okay, this one is good enough for, ooh, I felt some of the liquid coming out. No, this is going to be for baking. Fry that one. No, I will put it here. little tear. That's going to be for baking. Get these two are sticking together. Yeah, for baking. Might as well leave them in the pan. That one looks like it's for baking. Okay, the ones that have a tear or sticking to another egg roll, those are for baking. Maybe we can try this one. Try that one. Okay guys, that's real life. This is real life cooking. Okay, can't make this up. Okay, so this is what happens. You make something, you figure it out. Okay, you figure out what works, what doesn't work. And now I realize that too much mixture in the egg roll filling is not good. Not good for the for the egg roll wrapper. Okay, so you figure that out. So we've got 2 already done. You've got 3 in here. Hopefully they won't open up. Okay, these are going to be for the oven, so I'm going to put some oil in these. Turn these on first. Okay guys, I just want to show you quickly, these are the ones that we're going to be baking. As you can see, they're obviously opened up and the wrapper got ruined, so we're going to use these for baking. We're going to put these in the oven, because if we put these in the oil, it's going to be a mess. Okay? Okay, I wanted to show you how the egg rolls, they got the ones that actually we were able to fry, how they came out. Okay, here's one. That's one. And I'm going to cut it up here. You can see the inside of it. And this one, I'm going to turn this off because that one opened up in there. So there's the inside, chicken and cabbage. Okay. So guys, I encourage you to make these. And don't be discouraged by the fact that some of them got ruined, because you can always put them in the oven. Okay, see you next time.